What exactly is life insurance and what is the benefit of it? And how do you think Black people can benefit from having life insurance?
You know that the question you just asked me right now, it's kind of, by the way, this is a loaded question. You asked me about 3 or 4 parts type of questions right now. What's life insurance, the benefits, or why buy life insurance, Black people and life insurance. So there are like 4 to 5 different questions you just dropped there, just like that. Okay, I'll do the best I can to explain this. First of all, life insurance has been around for the longest time. Before you and I were born. It started back with the Roman empires back in the days. It's even before Jesus was born. Okay, just so you know, I'm talking BCs. And the idea of life insurance is really purely but for protection and peace of mind. And it hasn't changed, even till today. It still hasn't changed. If you love or care for someone, you have a due responsibility to protect them. It's as simple as that. If you are a family head, and if you make money and anyone depend upon your money, you got to protect them. But let's take it beyond that. Okay, let's take it beyond that. So, you know who buys life insurance the most? Which group of people buy life insurance the most?
Age-wise, you mean? I'm thinking.
No. No, which race buy life insurance the most? It's Black people.
Really?
Black people buy more life insurance than any other race in the country. But they buy the wrong type of life insurance.
I know where you're getting that. Okay, yes.
So what they do is they buy funeral insurance, area insurance, final expense insurance. These are insurances for like $1,000, $5,000, $10,000, $25,000. But they charge them 3 times that the same amount they used to buy final insurance they could use to buy a regular, ordinary insurance that was getting them $25,000 could really get them $150,000. But they were never taught. And I hate to put it to you this way, some companies took advantage of the ignorance of some of those communities, and they actually cater exclusively to those communities with those kind of products. It's very interesting. And sometimes I feel like there needs some kind of intervention, to stop such sales of products to such communities, because, if person A, who is African American, is paying $300 for $30,000 product, insurance coverage, person B, is paying $300 but has $300,000. It's got $30,000. Isn't 300? So don't you have to work hard to get to $300? Why should one product give you this and won't give you that? This is one of the biggest issues that my people perish for lack of knowledge. And a lot of the time, even when people go into educate them and stuff like this, they are just not even open to listening, because they look at everyone as trying to just take money out of their pocket. But if people can just do their own due diligence, people can free themselves. So having said that, here's the reasons why everybody needs insurance. Everybody. Number one is called income replacements. The income replacement for dependents. You see, if you have family members who rely on your income, life insurance ensures that they won't face any financial hardships or difficulties in the event of your death. Everybody needs it. So, it can cover, think about it, okay? It can cover day-to-day expenses, like your mortgage payments, for example, education costs, other financial needs. Life insurance will replace your income to cover that. So imagine you are the breadwinner of a family, you die, you have no insurance. So now what do you want the family to do now? Lose the house? Because the lender is not going to forgive you of your loan because you die. They still expect to be paid. And your electricity companies don't say, oh, by the way, somebody died. Don't worry. Now you're forever free. None of those things. Aren't you still responsible? Number 2, debt and expenses coverage. Let me explain what I mean by that. Life insurance can pay off your outstanding debts. You know that some student loans are not forgivable loans. They still have to be paid off. What if you pay off the mortgages themselves? So now people can live in their house free. What do you have personal loans, car loans, credit cards, and the list goes on. Your family doesn't have to inherit this burden of financial debts. People don't have to listen to you washing your dirty laundry, GoFundMe in the public. What a shame. just for a trade of $200 a month, $50 a week. So these are some of the reasons why people. Number 3 is peace of mind and legacy building. Because you see, life insurance gives you a peace of mind. You can sleep on a soft pillow at night. No, if anything happens, the family is covered. Compared to people going to bed, no failure, they have no insurance. If anything happens, they just create but nothing but chaos and a curse to their family. These are the stuff that people need to really, like in essence, take full control of, because life insurance protects your family's financial future, ensuring that they are provided for in the event of your absence. That's life insurance. Okay, today, we have life insurance today that actually it's not about if you just die anymore. People have heart attack, stroke, invasive cancer. They have brain aneurysm, and the list goes on. ALS and so on and so forth, burns and accident. The life insurance will actually advance a portion of the death benefit to you while you are alive. Dead. People come and collect $100,000, $150,000 during COVID, because COVID created a condition where you have 1 or 2 or 3 illnesses, community, and then it trigger a living benefit. People are coming to collecting checks left and right. What if you ever had insurance? You had COVID, you couldn't go to work for months. Then what happened? You lost the house. They kick you out. But you see what life insurance is doing now? And then look at what the rich people do with it. Like your Rockefeller. Rockefeller, like Waterford methods, where they use life insurance to create and sustain wealth. Or even if you look at Walmart, if you look at McDonald's, the first McDonald's franchise was actually, McDonald's restaurant was actually purchased with a cash value of life insurance policy. The company today that I'm part of, that I'm franchise from, actually the company was started from the cash value of a life insurance policy. The list goes on. Even the Happy Place, Mickey, what's it called again now? Disney, okay? The Happy Place. Life insurance kept on going. James Cash Penny, life insurance. I can go on forever. So today, people are using life insurance, and the wealthy people actually know how to do this, just so you know that. They'll be using life insurance, not really like if they die. They'll be using life insurance for business continuity. Buyers, they'll be using life insurance for every knowable wealth activating concepts the poor person think if I die. So if you ever hear BYOP, be your own bank, or if you ever hear infinite banking, people are using their life insurance like a form of a bank. So I can go on and on, but it's just today, I think it's just a travesty that people don't self-educate. And it's costing our people a lot of money.
So every day I'm going hard. I'm talking business, bank accounts, and credit cards.